Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are good. I welcome you once again to this channel. I still remain Oluremi Afolabi. In my last video, we discussed about how we can form words, word formation. We talked about 2-letter words to give us a meaningful word, 3-letter words to give us a meaningful word, and how we can use these to form short sentences. But today we are going straight into some common things around us at home. Common objects. We want to see how we pronounce it in Yoruba. How we pronounce it in Yoruba. And when I talk of home, I want to limit us first to our living room and our bedroom. Let's look around us. Let's see things that are there, and let's see how we can pronounce them in Yoruba. Fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ará wa nílé, mo tún kí wa káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Yorùbá Gbòde, níbi tá a ti ń kọ́ra wa lọ́gbọ́n àṣà èdè. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé abala grammar náà la ṣì wà. Lọ́sẹ̀ tó ní ìjókòó wa tó kọjá, mo bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹyọ ọ̀rọ̀ méjì, ẹyọ ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta tá a lè kó papọ̀ kó fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní ìtumọ̀. Kì í ṣe pé kó ní ìtumọ̀ nìkan, a wá tún wo ọ̀rọ̀ méjì yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta yìí, a wò wọ́n bá ti lè bá wọn pàdé nínú gbólóhùn kéékèèké tí a ń sọ nínú ilé, tá a fi ń bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀, tá a fi ń bára wa ṣeré, tó yẹ pé gbogbo tá à ń sọ ojú ọ̀rọ̀ méjì tó fún wa ní ìtumọ̀ àti ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ta tó fún wa ní ìtumọ̀, a wá sọ ọ́ di gbólóhùn. Mo gbàgbọ́ pé ẹ ti ṣiṣẹ́ díẹ̀ lórí wọn. Lónìí, a fẹ́ lọ wo kí làwọn nǹkan pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ tá à ń bá pàdé nínú ilé, àwọn tó yẹ ká mọ orúkọ tá à ń pè é, bó ṣe yẹ bó ti tọ́ bó ti ń pè é ní èdè Yorùbá. Let's start today's video. Let's look at things around us at home. In our home, right from our living room, we can see chair. Chair. And how do we pronounce it in Yoruba language? Àga. Chair. Àga. We can as well see table. Tábìlì. Table. Tábìlì. But sometimes when Yoruba is pronouncing their word, normally they pronounce how they hear the sound, or sometimes the work that such a thing does will give them the meaning or how to pronounce it. Like table. Sometimes Yoruba may pronounce it table, 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 just after the sound of the English word table. That is how they pronounce it. Or if they want to now look at it, they may not pronounce it after the word. They say tábìlì. Whichever way, you are okay, you are right. Pronounce it table. Pronounce it tábìlì. You are still okay. Sometimes we may see windows around us. How do we pronounce that? Fèrèsé. Window. Fèrèsé. What of door? Ilẹ̀kùn. Door. Ilẹ̀kùn. Door. Ilẹ̀kùn. And we have curtains on our windows, curtains on our door. How do we pronounce it? Curtains on the window. Aṣọ ojú fèrèsé. Remember, window is fèrèsé. Curtain on our window is called aṣọ ojú fèrèsé. Same thing goes with door. When we say door, ilẹ̀kùn. Aṣọ ilẹ̀kùn. That is the curtain there. When we move that, let's see bed. How do we call bed? bed. Ibùsùn. Ibùsùn. That is where you lay yourself and you sleep. Ibùsùn. Let's see, what are the other things we can see right in our sitting room? Television is there, and how do we pronounce it? Sometimes, like I said, some people may pronounce it just the way they hear the sound. Television. Television, not television now. Television. Or better still, the right word is ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán. That is the work it does. When you look at it, you hear the sound and you see pictures. So they pronounce it ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán. Or better still, television. Radio. When you are talking of radio, they will tell you ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀mágbèsì. Why? Because they will listen to the radio, just hear the sound, they cannot reply, they cannot even see the person talking there. So they say ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀mágbèsì. But sometimes too, like I said, they may just pronounce it after the sound, and they will say radio. Radio. Their A now will be in Yoruba A. Radio. Or ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀mágbèsì. Right there we may see our dining table. A ti mọ̀ pé tábìlì ni table. Dining wọ́n ní tábìlì oúnjẹ, where we eat. Tábìlì oúnjẹ. Tábìlì oúnjẹ. We can see our wall clock. Clock itself, aago. When you now want to say wall clock, two words there. Wall, ògiri. Now we have 4 words in our sitting room. Wall is called ògiri. And the clock hanged on the wall now is aago ara ògiri. Aago ara ògiri. These are common objects around us in our bedroom, in our living room, that we learn how to pronounce it. We can still see iron that we use to press our clothes. We call it ìlọṣọ. That is iron that we use to iron our clothes. Right in our sitting room there, or as we move around, we may find pictures on the wall. I've told you, wall is ògiri. Now we want to talk of pictures. What is pictures? Àwòrán. So combine the two together, we now say àwòrán ara ògiri. Pictures on the wall. Àwòrán ara ògiri. These are the little things that we can find in our living room or in our bedroom. Sometimes in our bedroom, we may find wardrobe. Àpótí ìkáṣọsí. That is where we keep our clothes. Àpótí ìkáṣọsí wa. Níbi tá ń kó aṣọ wa sí. We find wardrobe there. Níbi tá a bá ti ní flower, even in our sitting room. How do we pronounce it? Òdòdó. Flower. Òdòdó. And some may even call it after the sun too. Flower wa. Fúláwà wa. Fu now, not flower. It's fúláwà. Flower is òdòdó. If it is hung on the wall, we say òdòdó ara ògiri. If it is placed on the table, òdòdó orí tábìlì. Friends, I hope you have learned something today. If you do, please subscribe on this channel, and I'm sure all our videos will be coming your way. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ wa nílé, mo rò pé gbogbo ń tá a ṣe lónìí ó ní ìtumọ̀ díẹ̀ sí wa. Kí làwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí tá là ń bá pàdé nínú ilé, ní yàrá ìgbàlejò wa tàbí ní yàrá ibùsùn wa? Tá bá ti wọlé, a lè rí àwọn àga ìjókòó, a lè rí tábìlì, a lè rí fáànù tó ń fẹ́, a lè rí àga ìjókòó jẹun wa, a lè rí tábìlì oúnjẹ wa, a lè rí tẹlifíṣàn wa tàbí ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán, a lè rí rédíò wa tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí wa létí, ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀mágbèsì, a lè rí fèrèsé, wíńdò wa, a lè rí ilẹ̀kùn dọ́ọ̀ wa, a lè rí aṣọ ojú fèrèsé, kọ́tìn wa. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ló ń tà lè bá pàdé ní yàrá ìgbàlejò wa. Tá bá wọ yàrá ibùsùn wa, a rí bẹ́ẹ̀dì wa níbẹ̀ tá a pè ní orí ibùsùn wa, tàbí wọ́dúróòpù wa, àpótí ibi tá à ń kó àwọn aṣọ wa sí. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí la lè bá pàdé ní ìbáṣe yàrá ìgbàlejò wa tàbí ibi tí a ti ń sùn. A ti lè gbé aago sí ara ògiri wa gan pàápàá, ara ògiri inú ilé. Ògiri la pè ní wall, àti aago wa la pè ní clock. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà rí i pé ẹ rí nǹkan kọ̀ọ̀kan lónìí, mo rọ̀ wá bí mo ti máa ń sọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ wá láago, ẹ subscribe sórí channel yìí. Tẹ́ bá ti subscribe, gbogbo ohun tá à ń ṣe láti ìgbà dé ìgbà a máa dé àrọ́pọ́tò yín. A wà ní ìrìn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ fún tòní, àdúró díẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lónìí. Tó bá tún di ìjókòó tó wọ ìpàdé mi, inú ilé náà la ṣe wà o. A tún fẹ́ wo àwọn nǹkan míì tó tún ṣe wà nínú ilé wa, ká wá tún wò pé báwo la ti ń pè é ní èdè Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n fáwọn tá ti kọ́ lónìí, ẹ lọ kọ́, ẹ máa pè láti ìgbà dé ìgbà, kẹ́ rí wípé gbogbo ohun tá à ń sọ ó yé yín, ẹ mọ̀ pé gẹ́gẹ́ bá ti pè fún yín. Till I come your way next time, just practice the very few objects that we have discussed today. I'll come your way very soon. Bye.